All right, these are our 2.5 notes. We're solving one-step multiplication and division equations. The goal of a one-step equation is to get the variable or letter on one side of the equation and the number on the other. What you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. So, we're going to start with multiplication. The opposite or inverse of multiplication is division. And when you do not see a symbol between an x and a variable, multiplication is happening. So let's draw our line. These guys are in their houses, right? The x right here, he wants to be alone. So that means that the 3 needs to leave. Well, what's going on between the x and the 3? I don't see anything. That means we know that, I'm going to put a little dot there, multiplication is happening. And the opposite of multiplication is division. The 3's will mark out. You're left with an x on that side. What you do to one side, you got to do to the other. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And you're done. X equals 4. Let's look at number 2. So this -7 is who needs to leave because he's with the x. We know that I don't see anything there, but I know they're being multiplied. So I'm going to divide by -7. You need to type it in your calculator to be -21. It'll look like -7 like that in your calculator. -21 divided by -7 gives me a +3. Number 3, well, the x has gone to the other house, but it does not matter because he still wants to be alone. So it's still that -5, because we know they're being multiplied, that we're going to have to divide by. 25 divided by -5 is a -5 equals x. Be sure to keep your x on this side of the house, because that's where he started. Don't be flip-flopping him around on me. Number 4, we're trying to get the x alone. 4 times x is what's going on. The opposite is to divide him. -4 divided by 4 is a -1 equals x. So that's pretty straightforward. If they're squished together, we know they're being multiplied. We must divide them. Now, we're going to look at division problems. The opposite or inverse of division is multiplication. And in Happy Math Land, we always want to use the fraction bar in equations when we're representing division. So when I look over here at number 5, we've got this fraction bar right here. We know that that means divide. The opposite of division is multiplication. So if I multiply that side by 7 and that side by 7, x equals -5 times 7 is -35. Number 6, I'm sorry. The -2 needs to get out of the x's house. They're being divided. The opposite would be to multiply by -2. X is left on the left side. -10 divided by -2 is a +20. This time the x is on a different side, but we don't care. But we need that 9 to go away. They're being divided, so I'm going to have to multiply. 9 times 3 is 27 equals x. Do not write x equals 27. X is on the right side. Write 27 equals x. Number 8, that 6 has got to go. It's being divided right now, so we're going to do the opposite and multiply. -6, nope, that's +6 times -12 is -72 equals x. All right, just a couple things to keep in mind. Sorry, this paper's a little blurry. I didn't take a good picture. Make sure whatever side the x starts on, he also finishes on. If he starts on the left side, he needs to stay on the left side. If he starts on the right side, he needs to stay on the right side. Write everything out every time, okay? Don't try to skip steps and do it in your head. So copy these notes, and then I want you to flip over for practice to it's the third page of your notes. It looks like this. It says one-step review, multiplication/division at the top. I want you to do number 7, 8, 9, and 10 on this page. Make sure you're doing the 7 that starts negative 4x equals negative 24. Just do those 4 problems. Turn over to the next page on the back and do 7, 8, 9, 10 on that page also. My pages got out of order in the copier. So 7, 8, 9, 10, the next page 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the work into me. Thank you.